Hey everybody, today we're talking about dotted quarter note, single eighth notes. This is a new rhythm for us, although we have seen dotted quarter notes before. We've seen them in 6/8 time. This is in 4/4 time. And what that does is it creates a little bit of syncopation, which was last episode's lesson. So whenever we add a dot to a note, it adds half of the value of that note to itself. Now that's a little bit tricky to understand, so let's walk through that a little bit. Okay, so what we have here is a single quarter note, and a single quarter note equals one beat in 4/4 time. But when we add a dot, it adds half of the value of the quarter note. So what's half of one? It's 1/2. And so we end up with 1.5 beats. Yeah. Okay. Or I like to say 1.5. Same thing as 1/2, right? Your teachers are going to be so happy that you're getting a math lesson too. So for example, if you have a half note, which is worth 2 beats, then you add that when you have a dot at half note, then you add half of 2, which is 1. And then that makes it 3. So a dotted half note equals 3 beats when it would normally equal 2 beats. So that's what happens when you add a dot to any note. All right, let's get back to our song. Oh, and by the way, so how to read this rhythm if you're using rhythm syllables is to say Tam-ti. So the way that we would read this rhythm here would be Tam-ti ta ta, Tam-ti ta, Tam-ti ta ta, Tam-ti ta. All right, this is our song, Chairs to Mend. It's an old street call from England. I'm going to go ahead and sing it for you now. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend, mackerel, fresh mackerel, rags, rags, any old rags. And you might notice that there's a 1, a 2, and a 3, and that's because this song is actually a round. So I'm going to sing it for you again. I want you to see if you can sing it in round with me, or grab somebody else and see if you can sing it in a 3-part round. So what I want you to do is when I start, I want you to just listen. And then when I start here, I want you to come in here, okay? And sing Chairs to Mend, Old Chairs to Mend when I'm singing mackerel, fresh mackerel. Okay, here we go. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend, mackerel, fresh mackerel, rags, rags, any old rags. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and sing it around with myself using the magic of technology. Chairs to mend, old chairs to mend, chairs to mend, fresh 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 chairs to mend. Mackerel, fresh mackerel, rags, 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 any old rags. Okay, well, I hope that made sense to you, and let me know what you think. Try to sing this song with your family, and hope you enjoyed it.